In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dope sheet in Blender. First, let's open the dope sheet. Any editor in Blender can be switched, and the control for that is in the top left corner of each editor. Click the editor selector there and choose dope sheet from the list. You can do this from the timeline, the 3D viewport, or any other panel you're not using right now. As soon as you switch, you'll see a timeline view with rows and little diamond markers. Those diamonds are your keyframes. Now let's understand what you're looking at. The dope sheet shows all your keyframes in a compact timeline style list, making it easy to see, select, and adjust animation timing. On the left, you'll see channels that correspond to different parts of your project. That can include entire objects, individual bones if you're animating a rig, materials that have animated properties like color or roughness, shape keys for facial or morph animations, and even custom properties you've keyed. On the right, along the timeline, each of those channels displays keyframes. This bird's eye view is perfect for timing, grouping, and making global adjustments without diving into curves. Let's practice selecting keyframes. To select a single keyframe, just left-click the diamond. If you want to build a selection, hold Shift and click more keyframes to add them. Need everything? Press A to select all the visible keyframes. If you want to be more precise, press B and drag to box select around the keyframes you want to grab. If something doesn't select, make sure you're clicking directly on the diamond or within your selection box. You can always click on empty space to clear your selection before trying again. With keyframes selected, it's time to adjust timing. Press G to move keyframes in time, slide your mouse left or right to shift them earlier or later on the timeline, and confirm with a click. This is ideal for nudging an action to start sooner or later without changing what happens between the frames. If you need to speed up or slow down a sequence while keeping its relative spacing, press S to scale the timing. Drag toward the center to compress the action and make it faster, or drag outward to expand it and slow it down. Watch the frame numbers as you scale so you land exactly where you want. And if you need to remove something, press X to delete the selected keyframes. Be careful with deletes and keep an eye on what's selected before you confirm. That's it. With the dope sheet, you can see everything at a glance, select precisely, and make clean timing edits quickly and confidently.